Hi, I'm Paul with the Outdoor Great Room Company. The Boreal Complete Heat is not only a striking fire pit, but it also provides total warmth from top to bottom, keeping both your hands and feet cozy. The Boreal Complete Heat features a stunning flame, which creates radiant heat to warm the body. Approximately 15,000 BTUs are captured and then directed out from the bottom of the base through hidden ventilation to warm the feet and body. Extend your outdoor season and enjoy total warmth with this functional and beautiful outdoor decorative gas heating appliance. The Boreal Complete Heat includes a crystal fire burner in high temp black finish, a decorative heat exchanger in a high temp black finish, a polished midnight mist supercast top, and a black flex stucco base. Use the included lifting straps to simplify your installation. All electrical components are contained and sealed within an outdoor rated housing. The unit is wired to a ground fault interrupter circuit. The entire system is UL listed for safety. Make a simple power connection with an outdoor rated extension cord. Easy access for propane. There are separate controls for both the fire pit operation and the fan operation. And an optional LED light kit to really light up your night. For more information, visit us at outdoorrooms.com. Bring home outside.